Hello everyone. In this class, we will learn the use of coolant equivalent exchanger. When replacing coolant in new energy vehicles, using a coolant equivalent exchanger, it has the following. First, it's more thorough. Traditional coolant replacement methods, such as opening the drain pipe and let the coolant flow out naturally, which leave residual coolant in the pipelines of cooling system, resulting in incomplete coolant replacement. The coolant equivalent exchanger can extract the old coolant from the car cooling system, and inject an equal amount of new coolant, thus achieving a quick and thorough coolant replacement, avoiding the mixing of old and new coolant, and the problem of impurity residue. Second, it improves work efficiency. The coolant equivalent exchanger integrates old coolant recovery, new coolant addition, integrates circulation flushing, and equal exchange functions in one. It realizes the full process, automation of coolant replacement. The operator does not need to frequently change tools or equipment, nor do they need to perform complex manual operations, such as multiple coolant additions and discharges. It greatly saves the time for coolant replacement and improves work efficiency, especially suitable for maintenance sites that need to quickly finish replacing the coolant of a large number of vehicles. Third, it ensures the stability of the cooling system performance. Accurate coolant equal exchange. It helps maintain the pressure balance in the cooling system and flow stability. If the coolant is added too much or too little, may affect the normal operation of the cooling system, which will affect the new energy vehicles. The heat dissipation effect of the battery and motor, reducing their performance and lifespan. Using a coolant equal equivalent exchanger can ensure the cooling system always in the best working condition, ensuring the normal operation of the vehicle. Fourth, protect the cooling system components. When replacing the coolant, this device is usually equipped with a corresponding filter device. Can filter out impurities and particles in the coolant, preventing these impurities from entering the coolant system's pipelines, radiator, water pump, and other components, thus reducing the wear and blockage of components. Extend the service life of cooling system components. Fifth, safer operation. The high voltage electrical system of new energy vehicles and complex electronic control units have high requirements for the working environment. When replacing the coolant equivalent exchanger, unlike the traditional method, complex disassembly and operation of vehicle, it reduces the risk of damage to the vehicle, the electrical system, and other components due to wrong operations. The equipment is generally equipped with multiple safety protection devices, such as overload protection and leakage protection, which further ensures the safety of operators and vehicles. Sixth, accurately control the coolant amount. The coolant equal equivalent exchanger, through precise measurement and control systems, can accurately control the injection amount of new coolant and discharge amount of the old coolant, ensuring an equal exchange of both. This is crucial for the cooling system of new energy vehicles, because the precise coolant usage helps maintain the normal operation of the cooling system and performance. First, open the hood. Second, unscrew the expansion tank. Third, lift the vehicle. Fourth, find the outlet pipe. Fifth, use a special tool to cut off the outlet pipe. Sixth, use pliers to remove the retaining ring. 7. Pull out the water pipe. Install the tooling B to the power battery end. 8th, connect the tooling A to the original water pipe. to perform the interception. Ninth, connect the recovery pipe of the exchanger to tooling B. Lower the vehicle to the appropriate position. '11. Connect the blowing tooling to the expansion tank. '12. Turn on the power of the exchanger. Enter settings. Enter the password 12345. 13. Click on New Leaf Bucket Tier Weighting and Old Coolant Bucket Tier Weighting. Return to the menu bar. Click on Old Leaf Recycling. 14. Open the air blowing tool valve and adjust the air pressure to 02 megapascals. 15. Click the Start button of the exchanger. Observe the state of the expansion tank. Click Stop when recycling is completed. 16. Lift the vehicle. Replace the filling pipe. Lower the vehicle to the right position. 17. Remove the air-blowing tooling. 8. Add new coolant to the exchanger. 19. Click Add new coolant on the exchanger. When new liquid is added, there is a change in the liquid flow. 20. After the filling is completed, turn off the exchanger. Lift the vehicle. Remove the recovery pipe. Connect the original outlet pipe. Then 5S. 21. Lower the vehicle. Restore the expansion tank cover. 20. To close the hood. Clean the vehicle. Clean the site.